Okay, so today we're going to talk about elapsed time. And I'm going to show you how to use a time number line to make 60 in order to do that. The first thing I want to go over is a common misconception that students have. It is that students confuse the hour hand and a minute hand on a clock. So if you do that, determining elapsed time will be difficult because they are not starting or ending at the correct time. So they won't come up with the correct answer. And utilizing a number line with AM and PM will help alleviate that until they understand it better, and then they can move into learning time on an actual analog clock. So we're going to move into our word problem. Our word problem says, suppose that it is now 10:15 a.m. If your ballet recital begins at 7 p.m., how much time will elapse? So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and pay attention to the times that they have. They have 10:15 and they have 7 p.m. and they want to know how much time has elapsed between those two times. So if we look at our number line here, the first thing we want to do is mark our 10:15 a.m. time. So we look for the a.m. and we go across to 10, and then they're broken down again in 15-minute increments. So there's 10:15 there. So we want to go ahead and mark that. Okay. Now we want to look at the next time, which is 7 p.m. All right, we're going to come on down to our p.m. and we're going to go all the way over to 7. And we're going to mark that time. Now in order to make 60, we need to add the 15-minute increments to make 60, which is on the hour, because we know that an hour is 60 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and count 1, 2, 3. So we went 1, 2, 3 jumps, and if 15 plus 15 plus 15 more, that equals 45. Okay? And now, once we hit that hour, we're going to go ahead and do our next jumps to go all the way to 7 p.m. So we start at the 11, and that's 1. Come on down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now virtually what we can do is go ahead and count up how many hours we have, okay? We're going to count those. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 hours. And then we can't forget about the 3 little jumps that we made here. And those are going to be our minutes. Okay? And we see we have 45 minutes. So there we have our answer. The time that elapsed between 10:15 a.m. and 7 p.m. is 8 hours and 45 minutes. There we go.